Hey guys, I feel the jitters for feel the eradicate. Yeah, I feel hazy. I feel hyper insanity right now and nutcase. Yeah, I'm just. I don't know why you can't see the damn channel later. You can't see, man. Sorry, guys. I don't know why my camera's blurry. That's what you told. What? I don't know.
Katie got it?
Maybe. I don't know. I'm not here. Maybe. I don't know.
That's my phone.
Oh, it is? What?